Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back, and don't forget to subscribe for getting more videos like this one. So the OnePlus Z is currently the second most hyped smartphones I'm currently waiting for. First one obviously being the Galaxy Note 20 Ultra. I would have been excited about the 8T Pro as well, but it might not be happening. And since I already told you in my previous video about the official cancellation of the 8T Pro McLaren edition, there's not much to be excited in the OnePlus land other than the OnePlus Z. Oh boy, the OnePlus Z, the phone which brings back the company to its root. And I love it. I can't hold my excitement, so let's begin. The OnePlus Z recently surfaced on Geekbench 5 with these scores. In the single core it scored 612 and in the multi-core it scored 1955. And this should be added that the smartphone was running pre-production software, so the results are likely to increase a little with the final customer product. It's running on Android 10, but that is to be expected at this time. The model number is OnePlus AC 2003 and it's running a octa-core processor which is the Qualcomm Snapdragon 765G, which features a near 20% increase over the regular 735, so that's nice to have. And it is a very capable processor based on 7nm architecture, which is actually the same as the much expensive 865. Still, if we match them power to power, the 865 will win. Obviously, it's a much expensive product, so it performs better. Yeah guys, really big surprise. The expensive processor is faster. You heard that first on this channel. If you have money digging a hole in your pocket, buy the OnePlus 8 Pro, buy the Note 20, buy the iPhone Pro Max. This video and this phone aren't for you. But for all of my other friends who wants to be careful with their cash, the 735G is a very capable processor and you will not notice a difference or lag in the real world usage. Games might load a second or two quicker on the 8 Pro, but is that worth spending the extra $400-500? Definitely not in my book. And if we look at the direct competition, the Galaxy A51 or the A71, those phones have a much lower processor than the 765G. Also, if you happen to live in a 5G enabled country, this phone also brings support for 5G, so you are covered in that regards as well. The most impressive feature which I haven't told you by now is the RAM. The OnePlus Z has 12 GB of RAM. This is super awesome and like literally the double of what my 2-year-old flagship has, which costed about twice as much as this one ever will. This is probably the first budget mid-range smartphone with 12 GB of RAM. Yes, indeed it will be present on the higher end variant of the Z, but still man, the 8 Pro of $1000 maxes out at 12 GB of RAM, and here we have the same amount of RAM in a much cheaper device. The base RAM probably will be 6 GB, then a 8 GB RAM variant, and this 12 GB will be the top of the line spec. The storage options haven't been leaked, but I think there will be a minimum of 128 GB, and the price to performance ratio of the OnePlus Z is much better than it is on the OnePlus 8 Pro. If they can also deliver a solid camera, it doesn't have to be the world's best camera, it won't be the world's best camera, but if they manage a good enough camera so that it doesn't hold the phone back and price it aggressively like 25,000 in India and 400 in USA, then I can see this phone outselling the OnePlus 8 and 8 Pro combined. Let me know guys your thoughts in the comment section down below. Hit the like button if you are excited about the OnePlus Z. Make sure to subscribe to the channel for more videos. Follow me over on Twitter. Let's have at least 100 followers guys. What are you doing? And thanks a lot for watching.